Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified about all our latest videos. Don't forget to share these videos as much as possible with your friends and family. My today topic is top 50 general knowledge question. Question number 1. Which country has no trees in the world? The correct answer option C, Russia. The correct answer option A, Antarctica. Which country has no trees in the world? The correct answer option A, Antarctica. Question number 2. Which is the smallest state in India by area? The correct answer option A, Goa. The correct answer option A, Goa. Question number 3. What is the national flower of India? The correct answer option C, lotus. Question number 4. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? The correct answer option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 5. What is the currency of Japan? The correct answer option C, yen. Question number 6. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? The correct answer option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 7. How many players are there in a cricket team? The correct answer option B, 11. Question number 8. What is the boiling point of water? The correct answer option B, 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. Which is the national bird of India? The correct answer option A, peacock. Question number 10. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer option A, Kerala. Question number 11. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer option B, Indira Gandhi. Question number 12. Which planet is closest to the sun? Which planet is closest to the sun? The correct answer option C, Mercury. Question number 13. Which organ is called the pump of the body? The correct answer option C, heart. Question number 14. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The correct answer option B, AU. Question number 15. Who wrote the famous play Hamlet? The correct answer option B, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare. Question number 16. Which country gifted the Question number 16. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? The correct answer option B, France. Question number 17. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? The correct answer option B, Portuguese. The correct answer option B, Portuguese. Question number 18. Which Indian state is the largest by area? The correct answer option B, Rajasthan. Question number 19. What is the square root of 144? The correct answer option C, 12. Question number 20. In which year was the United Nations established? Question number 20. In which year was the United Nations established? The correct answer option B, 1945. Question number 21. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The correct answer option B, Kolkata. Question number 22. What is the name of India's first satellite? The correct answer option A, Aryabhat. Question number 23. Which is the largest bone in the human body? The correct answer option C, femur. Question number 24. What is the capital of France? The correct answer option D, Paris. Question number 25. What is the process of water changing into vapor called? The correct answer option B, evaporation. Question number 26. Which element is needed for respiration? The correct answer option C, oxygen. Question number 27. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? The correct answer option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 28. What is the most widely spoken language in the world? The correct answer option C, Mandarin. Question number 29. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? The correct answer option D, vitamin D. Question number 30. Who invented the light bulb? The correct answer option A, Thomas Edison. Question number 31. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? The correct answer option C, carbon dioxide. Question number 32. Which festival is celebrated with colors in India? The correct answer option B, Holi. Question number 33. What is the name of the largest desert in the world? The correct answer option A, Sahara. Question number 34. Who discovered the electron? The correct answer option A, J. Thomson. Question number 35. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? Question number 35. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? The correct answer option C, liver. Question number 36. Which country is known as the land of thunder dragon? The correct answer option B, Bhutan. Question number 37. What is the national sports of India? The correct answer option C, hockey. Question number 38. What is the capital of Italy? The correct answer option B, Rome. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds. Question number 39. Which birds is known for its ability to mimic sounds? The correct answer option B, parrot. Question number 40. What does CPU stand for? The correct answer option B, Central Processing Unit. Question number 41. Which Indian river is the longest? The correct answer option C, Ganga. Question number 42. What is the capital of Canada? The correct answer option B, Ottawa. Question number 43. Who wrote Discovery of India? Question number 43. Who wrote Discovery of India? The correct answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 44. What is the primary source of energy for the human body? The correct answer option C, carbohydrates. Question number 45. Which Indian festival celebrates the bond of brothers and sisters? The correct answer option C, Raksha Bandhan. Question number 46. Which is the coldest place on earth? The correct answer option B, Antarctica. Question number 47. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? The correct answer option C, Sarojini Naidu. Question number 48. What is the capital of Bangladesh? The correct answer option B, Dhaka. Question number 49. Which country has the largest population? Question number 49. Which country has the largest population? The correct answer option C, India. Question number 50. What is the national tree of India? The correct answer option C, banyan.